Hello students, hope all are fine. Today's video is all about human rights. Now, what are human rights? The rights you have simply because you are a human being. In an easy language, human rights are the rights we have as human beings. They belong to all of us, regardless of who we are, where we live, and these rights cannot be taken away from us. Some features of human rights. Human rights first became internationally recognized after Second World War. The idea that there are basic rights that belong to all people was internationally recognized with the creation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Universal Declaration of Human Rights recognizes that everyone is born free and equal in dignity and rights. We should all be treated in the same way. Children, you also have extra rights that place a responsibility on adults to make sure you all receive the special care and protection. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights consists of 30 articles that are basis for human rights, protection and promotion around the world. It includes right to life, liberty, free speech, privacy, economic and social rights like right to social security, health, education, etc. Now let's discuss about some rights. For example, right to education. Everyone has a right to education. According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, you have the right to go to school. You should be able to learn a profession or continue your studies to whatever level you wish. But children, all are not so lucky. Everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. You have the right to have your own religion or belief. This includes right to practice your religion and to peacefully express your beliefs in teaching, practices, and worship. Everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expressions. All have the right to life, liberty, and security. You have the right to live in freedom and safety. Children, as member of the community, you have a responsibility not to harm others. Everyone has a right to privacy. You have the right to ask for protection if someone tries to harm you, your good name, or enter your house, open your letter, or bother you or your family without a good reason. Everyone has the right to a decent standard of living. You have the right to the things you need to live a healthy and prosperous life. This includes food, clothing, housing, and medicine, etc. Now, children, other than the rights set out in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, you have extra rights to help you to grow up healthy and happy. These rights are written down in a document called the Convention on the Rights of the Child. As there are many children in our society who are not being able to enjoy their right as easily as others. Many children are not availing these rights due to poverty, bullying, harassment, healthcare problems, etc. Several human rights commissions been formed to investigate, promote, or protect human rights. One such commission is National Human Rights Commission NHRC of India, established on 12th October 1993. We will discuss and know about the other rights given to us in the next video. Thank you.